Which of the following routing methods is the most difficult to manage? Static. Which of the following is the oldest routing protocol, rarely used anymore? Routing Information Protocol, RIP. Which is the best description of a VLAN? A group of ports that behaves as an independent switch. A NIC creates a watt in the data link layer. Frames. At which layer of the OSI model does an unmanaged switch operate? Layer 2. Which of the following is not a coaxial cable connector? RJ45. The process of arranging data into segments or datagrams occurs at which OSI model layer? Transport. Which of the following is the recommended distance limit for Cat5 cabling in Ethernet service? (100 meters, 328 feet). How can technician Sandy ensure that a particular IP address is not leased out from the active scope? Reservations. Which cable standard is limited to 10 Mbps, has a maximum segment distance of 100 meters, and uses UTP cable? (10BASE-T). Which of the following connectors would be found on a fiber optic cable? MTRJ. Which of the following is an example of an IPv4 address? (21 and 68, 413).